Namaskaram. Lord Shiva is one of the most prominent god who has been celebrated and worshipped by almost all the Hindus. Today in this video we are going to see one of the such temples of Lord Shiva, that is Lord Vasishteshwara temple in Tamil Nadu near Tanjavur. It is believed that there are 28 places where Lord Shiva emerged in the form of Shivalingam. Apart from this place Thitai, some of the other such places are Chidambaram, Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvarur, Tiruvayyaru and Tirukalukuntram. This is all in Tamil Nadu. According to a legend, during the Great Pralayam, when the entire universe was submerged, this place stood aloud like a sand dune. It is believed that Lord Shiva appeared here in this place as a Swayambhu Lingam. According to Hindu mythology, Guru Bhagwan is the seventh son of sage Angiras. Guru Bhagwan became the very learned scholar and became the teacher of all the Devas. Under his leadership, the Devas lived very peacefully. Once, when he had gone to visit Indra, Indra did not receive him as he was busy watching Urvasi's dance. Angered by this, Guru Bhagwan left the Devas. Without his guidance, the life of Devas became very miserable and the demons started terrorizing them. Realizing this mistake, Indra searched for the Guru in order to ask for his apology, but he could not find him. He found Guru only in this temple when he asked for apology. It is believed that the sage Vasishta had his hermitage here. He installed a lingam and performed penance. Hence, the Shivam is called as Vasishteshwara also. Guru stood up and received teachings from the sage Vasishta in this temple only. And it is believed that Guru Bhagwan got the place in the Navagrama from this place. This is probably the only place in the world where Guru Bhagwan has a separate shrine with a separate Vimanam. The shrine is between the shrines of Lord Shiva and Parvati, which is very unique. This is the only place where you can see Guru Bhagwan in a standing position with 4 hands, 2 of them holding up and 2 of them holding down. A unique feature of this temple is that a drop of water falls on the main deity exactly every 24 minutes, that is Oru Naligai in Tamil, from the roof. But from a small hole, there is no visible source of water on the tower, on the Vimanam of the main deity. It is believed that the 2 stones, Suryakantakal and Chandrakantakal, which are placed at the strategic points above the tower, is the reason for this miraculous phenomenon. These 2 stones absorb the moisture from the atmosphere, convert them into water droplets and perform a natural abhishekam to Lord Shiva. This is a very clear testament to the advanced science and architectural knowledge that our country had possessed. There are 4 Shivalingams installed in these 4 corners of the temple, keeping the main deity at the center. Hence, this temple is also known as Panchalinga Kshetram. It is believed that worshipping the Lord here is equal to worshipping the Lord of all the Panchabhuta Sthalams. In front of the hall of goddesses Parvati shrine, on the ceiling, 12 zodiacal signs are carved beautifully in a stone. It is believed that by standing under one's respective zodiac sign and praying to the goddess, one's wishes will completely be fulfilled without any doubt. Greatness of this temple is devotees who visits here can get relieved from the adverse effects of the planet Jupiter by praying to the Lord here. Students pray to the Lord here for attaining excellence in their studies. As Guru was elevated to Navagraham in this place, devotees believe that worshipping Lord Shiva here will yield promotion in their work. It is believed that those seeking Santana Prapti, that is the child boon, can pray to the Lord here. Devotees can also pray for removal of obstacles from their marriage proposals. Devotees also believe that worshipping goddesses Parvati here will result in a long and prosperous married life. I hope that each one of us can visit Lord Vasishteshwara temple and Ambal and get the blessings of Guru Bhagwan also. Thank you for watching this video.